September 11th, 2001. Let us never forget. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. And as I said in the opening, let's never forget the most horrific tragedy on American soil in history, the terrorist attacks of September 11th, 2001. Make sure you take the time out of your day to say a prayer for somebody and thank the first responders and the military that helped us and that helped keep this country safe. In the meantime, I'm taping this about 30 minutes before the close, and the markets are higher. A dramatic reversal today from well down in the morning and overnight to up to new highs. We continue to see this rotation, and on my call last night, I said there's no reason to try to sell this market yet, because there is no reason to try to sell this market yet. I mean, again, nobody else would like to be short more than me at this particular time, but there's no reason to get involved. And I think what you do is you try to force your opinions into a market. Remember, the market can be fooled, but not forever, and the market is always right. So in the meantime, we saw the Dow down about 150, rallied all the way back up about 120 or 130. It's up about 90 now. I wouldn't be surprised if it had a little weakness into the close, but the NASDAQ has been extremely wild, and it was well lower and is now much higher. S&P, the same story, and the Russell's been hovering around that unchanged line, but it has been down 80 and up 80 today. So what we're looking at here is a market that seems to be diverging and full of confusion, which would eventually lead that we will see the sell-off that's going to come. We all know it's coming, but you can't time it. You've got to let it happen and be willing to react to that market when it happens. Right now is not the time. Again, I would love to be short, but I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it is short. Now, I do have some small short positions on, no question about it. But again, nothing that is going to hurt me, nor is it anything of major risk. This is what you have to remember. You have to manage your risk during these times when the markets are challenging, because really we're just in this consolidation pattern, and we could break out to the upside before coming down. So again, there's too many signs pointing on both sides of the equation. So let's be careful, and let's wait and be patient for the right opportunities. In the meantime, interest rates are rising today. The bonds got clobbered. Excuse me. Oil up big. You know, we're seeing again that we're back to the fear trade in oil. Everybody's worried about the hurricanes and so on and so forth. And again, I'm worried about the hurricanes for the people, but I'm not worried about the hurricanes for oil. And I would think that this is a great opportunity as we look at what we would call a blow up to the upside to sell oil once again. Again, they're giving us a chance. I think this is the opportunity to take it. The dollar's a little bit higher, but I think the dollar is all dependent, along with the euro currency, on what Mario Draghi says on Thursday. Gold up a little bit today, but still very tight in that range. And until it breaks out of that range, it's going to continue to be a grind. And I would look for the market to break higher, but I'm not interested in getting in for a long-term position here yet. I would wait to see how the markets react and get a better opportunity. The grains were really ugly today, especially wheat and soybeans. And to me, that says, along with the meats, which are also kind of ugly, is there's a news announcement coming. And I think that the traders and everybody else are showing fear into these markets, and I think that they're wrong. Now, the markets are never wrong, but I think that the way the traders are handling this right now is wrong, and they're pushing this down. I think we see a big short squeeze, a big turnaround. I don't see, and I'm not concerned about the selling. In fact, I'm using it as an opportunity to buy more. I think that, again, I do believe these trade wars and tariffs will all be settled. I wouldn't be surprised to see Canada settle today or tomorrow. And of course, the more that settle with us, the bigger the chance that China has to settle. So I think that these are things that we have to watch and look at. And of course, there's all kinds of talk about, Apple's new products tomorrow. Apple's up big today, so that's created some action in the Dow. But again, right now, today is the last day, the second day of Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish holiday, the New Year. Happy New Year, by the way. It's going to be still quiet through today and maybe tomorrow. Again, we've got this quirks of holidays here that doesn't, lend us to believe that there's going to be any major action. Now, again, the markets won't announce itself. There will be something, and there is news coming. You can see it by the way the market's trading. Let's see how that plays out. In the meantime, the cryptocurrencies were fairly flat, and they've taken a pretty good pounding the last couple of days. But I think they've once again found a higher low and look for the markets to start to charge higher. Other than that, remember, or not remember, but never forget, this is September 11th, 2018. Let's remember the people that lost their lives and their families and the first responders that helped us get through this all in September 1st of 2011. September 11th of 2001. Everybody have a great day. This is Bubba's Daily Update. Remember to check out our high school investing program if you'd like. You can help us out at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. And on Thursday, we're having back Adam Barata. Gold is a better way. Have a great day, everybody. Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you tomorrow. Never forget, we'll see you later.